We are gonna try the Hot Tools Deep Waver here on Amy's hair, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. We're gonna start off with sectioning our hair, and we're gonna start underneath. All right, so I'm gonna use Redken's Fabricate 03 just for our heat protection, and I'm gonna spray it everywhere in Amy's hair. All right, so I'm just gonna take my first section and I'm gonna go ahead and place that right in the hair like so. Now you're just gonna travel down the hair, and I'm just going about 1 to 2 inches above the previous waved area. A hot tip for you, if you wanna have more volume, make sure to elevate the hair upwards. So now that I'm almost at the top of her head, I'm actually making this section smaller. I wanna have more waves. So there you have it. After we finished the waves, I've gone in and I've broken it apart with my fingers, and now Amy has instantly wavy, fun hair.